Hello there. Supposing you would ask me right now, what would be the first thing to do if you wanted to set up an online business doing affiliate marketing? The first thing. No, no funny business. And I'd say this. Think of an area that you're either knowledgeable on, or that you're interested in, or that you can empathize with. Think of an area out of one of the following four: relationships, how to make money, um, health and fitness, and how to, for instance, guitar or play football or something more detailed. Those four areas: relationships, how to products, health and fitness, or making money online. Any one of those four areas. And then the second thing is think of small areas within those fields. Losing weight, or improving confidence, or how to stop smoking in such and such a time, or how to sell affiliate products, or how to play guitar. Anyway, anything like that, just a sub niche, and then if you can break it down a little bit smaller than that. How to lose weight without counting calories. How to make money selling other people's products so that you get commission on the back end and the higher premium tickets. Or how to play jazz guitar. Or improve your confidence without having to become too introspective. That's like a smaller sub niche than the one you thought of first of all. And that's really what I recommend you did. Find an area of personal interest where you can actually pass muster as something approximating to an expert, at least to the untrained eye. And, preferably actually become knowledgeable about that field, get some expertise, discover more, and then once you've done that, then you can think about selling products within that niche. Go and find some products, preferably on ClickBank or on JVZoo, that you like the look of, and think about a particular product that you'd like to sell, that you discover. That is quite high up in the list of products under any category in ClickBank. And believe you me, that is a big area, ClickBank, and there are plenty of products in it. Or JVZoo, which is slightly harder to navigate your way around, but which, if you're selling make money online products, is probably more suitable for this. And go and explore those sites, see what there is, look at how people develop their sales letters and their marketing materials. And then you get a better idea, and just exploring your way through the field of what is there. That would be the first thing I'd tell you to do. And just make a choice. It's not like choosing a place to live or a marriage partner, although it could become, a sort of partnership. But, just move along the lines of what do you feel like doing? What interests you? What do you think you could talk about? And that's really the first thing you'd have to do. And beyond that, then obviously you get into the more technical side of it, of finding yourself a suitable name for the company you want to set up, because it is going to be a sort of a company, as a domain name, which you can find on a site called Domaincheap. And then you have to get hosting, which you need a hosting site for, such as HostGator, HostMonster, GoDaddy, 123, any one of those. But some are better than others, I admit. But that's all you need: an idea of what you want to sell, an idea of who's selling what, and make notes as you're going along so that you can compare them later. Get an idea and a feel for what is out there on using ClickBank and JVZoo, and then get yourself a domain name and a hosting site. And those are the things you have to set up first. And that's it, really. In a way, you're ready to rock and roll. I mean, there are other things, like you have to learn what you've got to do to get people there, but those are the first things you do. And I hope that's useful to you. Thank you.